morning, Alexus Love Beauties and Flawless Man. Welcome back to another podcast episode. I just wanted to stop in and say hello. My voice is doing so much better, y'all. I was under a little spiritual attack, but that's okay. I just been kind of like working out and doing massages, and I really just been having to go the natural route with it because I went to urgent care a couple times, and who finna be waiting for a whole hour to be seen? Now, I don't try to like do stuff like that or promote stuff like that, but the one thing about me is I don't be learning for nothing. And I'm going, since there's so many tests out here, hey, I might as well go ahead and test what I know too. So that's what I do. I've been feeling 100% better. I was able to go to my doctor and she gave me something. I just want y'all to be safe out here. There is more than enough available plague out here. Make sure that you are, just keeping yourself clean, keeping your families clean. Do you an oil pull that helps to pull out the mucus in your throat. Make sure you're eating fruits and vegetables and just have a little bit more water. We will be back this afternoon, the Lord's will. I have some podcast episodes that we are preparing to drop. I love you and I will see you later. Mwah.